boy.
There we go. On the shrimp fly. Fishing on the Dolphin AM trip. Dropping 600 feet. Hopefully get some nice reds. Isn't that right, Tyler?
Yes, sir.
16-ounce sinkers today.
We're fishing in 600 feet deep water. We've been catching the rock cod deep water fishing. We got sardines and squid for bait. We got all kinds of bait already. No need to stop. We got plenty of bait on board for this morning's trip. So we'll head on out. So we get some rockfish, deep water rockfish to bite this morning. It's going to be a beautiful day. Weather's been beautiful. Ocean's been beautiful. Fishing's been good. A lot of bottom fish. 16-ounce weight, guys. 16-ounce weight. If you don't have a heavy sinker, you probably want to grab one. We'll start the drift here in just a moment. Don't drop it in yet, guys. Put your baits on and be ready.
See, right hand side? Yeah.
It's about 525 feet deep here. Fishing a small ridge. Our fish down there will get set up on a drift and see if we can get these things to bite. That's the fog this morning, guys. It's just, that's what it happens in the fog, in the fall.
That's right.
You know,
16 ounce right
go
on.
ahead and drop them in here, guys. All the way to the bottom.
That's what I was thinking with this, and I'm like, man, that was
A few moments later.
I dropped before you, so I'm probably gonna have to go up and over you right now.
Yeah, I'll go ahead and wind it up.
Yeah, I'm gonna be out of your way real soon. Oh, it's a fucking sand dab. Tyler, I got you a sand dab.
Hey, that's what's up. I ain't feeling shit.
Got a dab.
You want them?
Throw it in 36. Alright, no sand dabs this time.
No sand dabs.
I mean, sand dabs taste good, but no sand dabs.
Don't get me wrong. I'd rather fucking fry one up at home than pay for one at a restaurant.
True. Big reds. Big reds. Manifest.
I actually gave the last dab that I got to my neighbor and told him how to cook it up.
Okay, guys, let's try it out here. Let's go.
And he loved that thing. He smashed that thing. He was like, dude, it was so good.
5 minutes later.
I feel no way. Someone's bringing me in right now. You?
Feeling no,
Yeah, I feel. Yeah.
But the same time, I don't feel like a pulmonary.
Yeah. Let's just start taking it in. Oh, fuck yeah. I love it. 9 minutes of me just reeling in. Oh, I had a sand dab the whole time. Just dead weight. Would you look at that? I put my last one in your bag, by the way.
Oh, that's fine.
Do you want it?
Yeah, I'll take it.
You want another one? All right. Sand Dab City. Oh yeah, 36 again.
Okay, let's go.
All right, let's send it. I'll join in. We'll make it to the bottom before you.
Oh.
Whose is it? Is it mine? I think it's mine.
Tucker, you need to go over him.
Oh, okay.
Oh yeah, Tucker, you're not up. Okay, let me get in here, guys.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, that man's a pro. Walk backwards. Yeah, it is yours. What's that? That's great.
What is this drop number? Drop number 4?
This one?
I think this is 4 for me.
On this stop?
No, not on this stop. No.
Or like in
this,
total?
In total.
Oh no, dude, I've dropped a few times because I'm around like a bunch of people that I just don't want to. I don't want to get knotted up, so I'm taking the time.
That's
to
what
pull
happened to
up.
me. I got knotted up right here on my last pull-in. Oh, there you go. You're at bottom. I'm right behind you too.
Fucking squid on my pen.
Delicious. I'm just gonna go in with that. I want to say I'm wrong. I just don't know though. It's super light.
A few minutes later.
Oh, it's a little tiny guy.
Here, I got you.
For sure, thank you.
I think you're right. Put your rod up. Here it comes. Put your rod up, take a step back, and it'll come under you. Crushing it. Fuck yeah. Let me get in here, guys.
Yeah.
Look at that boy.
There we go. On the shrimp fly.
What's the number?
37.
Oh my God, fish on! Holy shit. Love it.
Here we go.
Oh, there we
that's
go.
I'm on already. Wow. Hit bottom, I'm on. Let's make it 2. Let's make it worth reeling up. have service?
Okay.
Oh. I haven't doubled up today at all, dude.
You haven't?
No.
Today's been slow.
Not even 2 little runts. It's just been 1 runt at a time. Ah, just a little guy. Just a little guy. Oh, Tyler's got a pretty nice haul. You like the 2 sand dabs I gave you?
Yeah. Like I said, I got one myself.
And that's my haul. Minus the 2 sand dabs I gave to Tyler. Okay, we just got back in, and today was pretty rough.
Yeah, it was.
It was really rough. A couple of good reds got on the boat, not for us though, that's for sure. You know, sometimes you win, sometimes you lose. If you guys need to go in on like a half-day trip, definitely recommend the Dolphin. Fisherman's Landing, phenomenal. Jason's a really awesome captain. Deckhands, superb. Take care of everything that you need. Today just wasn't our day. No, but we'll get back out there again.
Yeah, I mean, I got 1 good red during the day, but other than that, just a bunch of little. We were basically in the nursery.
Yeah, nothing just but runts all day. Again, cannot recommend Fisherman's Landing enough. Really awesome people. Tip your deckhands. I'll talk to you guys later.